So here's a little update on what I've been doing, but it mainly started with World Creator, where I created a zone that we can see here, which is 16 kilometers square. And I did some amazing work here, the landscape, as you can see. Uh, and then I exported all of this in 16 1 kilometer square tiles, which I then imported in Unreal World Partition. And then after that, I've designed three server-side components, which are a AI server, which is mainly responsible for the AI eye-level logic in terms of just telling, or well, sorry, just deciding if an NPC should be roaming around or attacking a player, or retreating. Eventually, it will hold more advanced logic, but it's important to understand that it's just mainly separated from uh, the other components, so it can do its own thing faster. Then after that, I created a navigation and physics server, which is mainly it's using Recast D2 1.6 at the moment with physics 4.1 engine and well, I'm sorry, not engine, but library. And then that as well is separated from the other component, but it mainly the way it works is that the AI server will tell the zone server to for that will tell that a one NPC should be roaming around, and then the zone server will they'll pick a random point in a said radius and will then request a pathfinding from the nav and physics server, and then the zone will just move it around. So let's see here, as we can tell on the zone server, which is responsible for just clients communication and some basic logic. For example, once we got the pathfinding requests uh, come back, then at some point we have to do some local steering up to the player just to do some final attack moves or whatever. But that's going to be decided by the zone server. So right now we have 50 NPCs loaded into a super nice area that I designed myself, which is, as you'll see in a second, it's pretty amazing. So right now, every game server update is sitting at 1.4 millisecond, which is not too bad for, I mean, it's mainly only 50 entities at the moment, but let's go and take a look at how it looking the client side, which is using Unreal. Currently using Unreal 5.2.1. So let's see the loading here. So here we are in the map that was this exported from World Creator. I don't have the landscape rebuilt, but right. So anyhow, this as we can see here, there is no navigational mesh. Let me just there's no navigational mesh on the client side. It's all decided by the actual backend server, which is designed in C++ at the moment. But anyhow, so here we are with our 50 NPCs. Um, and let's see um, how much data is sent. So we're doing 50 NPCs at like 23 kilobytes per second, which I think is quite all right. So let's go take a look at what happened when we go in the middle of that. Mm. So that's the actual next steps where we're gonna have the actual combat mechanics. Let's go and escape and see how the NPC kind of returning to their spawn area. So yeah, so that's pretty much what I have so far. The next update will be about actual combat mechanic, which would be interesting. Yeah. See you guys at the next update.